out into the kitchen out here, or what's going to be the kitchen. The fireplace has been dug out of there. That's going to have to be reinstalled again. There's going to be a back door there. It's a nice double door here. It's original stairs. Nice view out into the yard and the old sheds. The fireplace has gone out of here too. We're going to restore that back up. Somebody done some renovation, but we're going to restore it back up to the proper height. It's a lovely arched window there.